Good morning, everyone. It is day 643 of quarantine, and it's getting tough out here, man. There's some things I want to work on the car. I want to work on the interior. I gotta run a few errands before this whole lockdown, quarantine, everything closes, whatever. So what I'm doing right now is actually messing with some stuff on my E85 tune. I'll see you out in a bit when I'm probably in the car. So, all right, we're in the car now. I'm just quickly gonna tune this real quick. I'm about to order some Starbucks, actually. To Starbucks we go. Hey, look at that line, bro. Y'all can't see it, but that line is long, bro. Oh my gosh, you love to see it. You love to see it. So, I'm trying to keep myself entertained while I'm in this line. If you guys haven't already, go watch the last video. I forgot what I did. What did I do? E85, that's what I did. I went E85, bro. How did I literally just updated, like, just uploaded it yesterday. And how did I forget what I did already? So, I'll be back whenever I get my order. You know, I'm finna put y'all on to some more food. Bag is secured. We good. So, I'm heading to Joann Fabrics. We out. Bro, I just got to Joann Fabrics, and there is a line. Hold on, y'all can't really see it, but like there's a line, and everybody has on masks, bro. Oh my god. Now it said I could look at this dude. Call them for a curbside pickup. That way I don't have to go in the store. So I'm hoping I can do that. So I'm about to call them to see if they do that. So let me make sure my order's ready, I guess. My order's not ready yet, so I'm just gonna go to my house because I stay around the corner. So I'll just do that and I'll come back later. And then we'll work in the car, so yeah.
The next day.
Why do I do this every time? I do like this every time I like start recording again. Anyways, so now it's been a whole 24 hours and I finally got the fabric. Since this whole coronavirus going on, it's literally been lying at the Joann, so I've had to wait a little while. So I went there, picked it up, and we finally got the fabric. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. This is what I went with. This is like blue and purple. It's like an outer space. You can see that. But yeah, I got 2 yards just because I'm gonna be wrapping a lot of stuff. They say the more the merrier. Just got it on the car and start taking out everything and decide what I want to go where. So I'm gonna get some of the pieces and bring them back in my room. I'll probably just do it in here. So I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and get this off. So let's just start with this and just go from there, I guess. I got this off so I can throw this away. Gonna go grab the goo gone so I can get rid of the sticky stuff. All right, we're good. We're gonna go ahead and start taking off this goo that's on here. It's like the tack, leftover tack. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this with this goo gone. And bada bing, bada boom. So which one more thing I actually need to grab, if I can find it. Should be in my closet actually. You're gonna need this multi-purpose adhesive, some type of tack spray or something. That way you can use the fabric on the panels. So I'm gonna do this real quick and then I'll be back. All right, got everything off now. It's a lot cleaner than before. It's still like a few stains in it, but I'm gonna go rinse it off with some soap and water. And then I'll start putting everything on. So I'll be back in a sec, so. Everything is now done for the dash panel pieces, so I'm gonna go put these back in and show you what they look like on the car. Obviously you won't be able to see these edges once I tuck them in when I put the pieces in. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and show you what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go get a knife or something sharp. All right, so everything's in, and I love it, honestly. Are there a few spots that are kind of messed up? Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You can't really do much about it because this is fabric, and if you see the material that has all these strings when you cut it. So if it was vinyl wrap, it'd be different, but this is fabric, so you kind of just have to work with what you got. I want to wrap this piece, but I don't know how. I'll find a way. I'll probably wrap this. So I'm gonna take these out and I'll probably do these too, but I might not put in the video. So if anything, if you want to check out the finished product, I will definitely leave a link below to my Instagram where I put more pictures up and you can see everything. So I want to do this piece right here and the other piece on that side, the door. I'm gonna right here. Do all this, but I'll figure that out, and then if you guys want, I could do a tutorial on all that stuff. So that's basically rewrapping this. I'll figure out how to get these out, and then I'll upload pictures so I can see that. So like this is taking a lot longer than I thought, but got the piece, the side pillars. I got this one on. Everything's coming along great. Now, as far as doing these, I'll probably do this a little bit later. I gotta put this one back on. This green piece right here is a pain to get off, bro. Oh my gosh. So if anybody knows the easy way to get those off for next time, if you want to leave it in the comments, go ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on, and let me show you a little bit. But it's nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on, and I'll show y'all after it's on. Everything looks so great together. I think everything goes really well. Kind of wish this was a little bit more purple, but I'm fine with it. So I think the interior looks a lot better now. Now, I did not mention, but you should disconnect the battery if you're going to be changing out, taking these off, because you do not want your airbag to explode in your face. So I'm gonna go reconnect the battery because it is disconnected right now. And that should end off this video, because if anything, I'll just do the door trims on like a separate time. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, keep the rain, subscribe, tell all your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
We'll be right back.